and welcome to my first video on Introduction to Excel Building Autosum Tools. Myself Vikas Shahane and I am working in CSMSS College of Polytechnic as Head of Department in Computer Engineering Department. My college is situated at Kanchanwadi, Paitan Road, Aurangabad. So now let's look what are the outcomes we are going to learn or we are going to achieve. So here are the outcomes which we are going to achieve after the successful completion of this video. Number one is identifying the various AutoSum tools present in the Microsoft Excel. Second one is the uses of different tools on numbers for mathematical calculations. And last is do large mathematical calculations in a second. So now let's take a look practically. So here is the Excel sheet which I have created earlier. This is a sample Excel sheet. I have put some names over here, some data over here for some mathematical calculations. So let me zoom it so you can see easily. Okay. Now friends, the AutoSum tool is present in your Home tab. In the Home at the last you see this particular symbol. This symbol is used for the AutoSum or the summation task, different summation tasks. Now if I want to do the calculation of these 10 numbers, then I need to do it on a calculator. But Excel provides you the facility to do it in a single click. Just put your mouse or put your pointer over on this cell. So now there is again one question in your mind, what is cell? In Excel, each and everything is present in the row and column format. This A, B, C, D, E, F, these are the columns, and this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these numbers represent the row. And when your mouse pointer points some specific row and column in single, then it is called as a cell. Right now, like over here, you see that I am pointing on D2. Over here, it is mentioned as D2. Then I am selecting suppose G2. So over here is G2. So this is about the cell. So now I am going to select the last cell. Means over here 45 number is present and I am selecting the last cell. So I am selecting the last cell. There is no value present over here and I am just a click on this sum button. After clicking on this sum button, you see that something is come over here. This is we called as a formula. Over here you see that fx insert function. So over here function is automatically inserted. You don't need to type that function. So over here function is automatically inserted. So you just need to click the enter key. So once you click the enter key, you get the addition of these all these numbers 6, 1, 2. Right now it is not easy to understand because over here there are different values. So just take another example. Over here we are going to type some values 10, again 10, 10, then again 10, 10. Three times I am typing the 10. It is clearly visible to all that 10 typing I am type 10 three times. So now over here I am just going to click on this sum button and see what happens. It gets 30. If I change the value over here 20, 20 and 20, then automatically this value is get changed. You don't need to do the or run the formula each and every time. Once you run the formula, then ultimately it happens for whenever you change the value. Over here if I get 25, then answer gets the 65. Okay, so this is the first function as AutoSum. Then second one is average of the numbers. Again formula gets changed, sum gets converted to the average. It's average 61.2. Let's again take over here 10, 10, 10 and 10. As you know the basic mathematical rule, if the same values are present, then you again get the average as a 10. Because over here 4 tens are present, that's why we get the 10. If I change values from 10 to 5, 5, 5, 5, then again I am get the 5. You also see that when I change the value, then ultimately when the focus on that particular cell is jump to the next cell, then the value get changed. Okay. So now the next function is your count number. This count number function counts This count number function counts the number of cells that you have selected for the calculation. Over here we are having the 10 numbers. Like over here I am typing the serial number from 1 to 10. So we are having the 10 numbers. So I am clicking the enter. It gives me the value as a 10. Same here. Here also count numbers, enter. 4 numbers we are selecting, so that's why 4. If I choose the 5 number, then nothing happened to this particular formula. Why? Because in this formula, if you see that the range which this formula is selected is appear in the blue mark or the blue box. So you just need to put it over here and check it. Now the 5 numbers are present because we select the 5 cells for calculations, means the count of cell, how many cells you are selected for your calculations. The next function is your max function. This function calculates the maximum number present in that list or the data which you have selected. Over here we are selecting, or right now we don't select any data, because ultimately whenever you click on this max, then it selects these 10 numbers which are above this, right? So 88 is the maximum number. So now check 25, 60, 75. So the 75 is the largest number right now. Then 55, 64, 79 is larger than 75. Okay. 69, 52. 88 is larger than 79. So 88 is larger, and then 45. So 88 is large number, means the max number is 88. Again, the mean number, if I convert it to mean, then 25, because 25 is the minimum number. This is the automatic selection tools present in your Excel. With the help of these tools, you are easily do calculations easily within a 1 second. But here is a question for you, that what will happen if you try to use these tools with 100 or more number of cells? All of you need to think for few seconds and ready your answers with yourself. So now for this question, the answer is that we can do 100 or more numbers calculations within a fraction of seconds. Let's see how. I'm just going to multiply these data into the number of cells, right? Copy, paste it. Now I am zoom out my window so that it can be clearly visible to all of us. Control C, again Control V, then again Control C and Control V, again Control C and Control V. Now again Control C and Control V. There is one more feature present in Excel, that once you type the 3 numbers over here, 1, 2, 3, these are 3 numbers are in sequence. So we just put your mouse pointer over here and double click it. So once I double click it, so see 320 means all these numbers are appeared automatically. We don't need to type it or drag it. So right now we are having this much number of data. Okay, so just go to the last cell. Here is the last cell, and just click on the auto sum, enter. You get the sum as 19582, right? Like this you are able to do huge number of calculations, not 320 numbers, but you can easily do the 10,000 to 20,000 number calculations also. But whenever your data get increased or number of numbers get increased, then at that time, according to your processing speed of your PC, it will get some time, but not more than the 1 minute. Within a minute you get near about 1 lakh number of calculations easily. It depends on your data and your processing speed of your processor. So that's it for today's video. Thank you very much. Once again, I am VN Shahane. Thanks to all of you for watching my video.